Hello everyone and welcome to Sparkle English. Today's mini lesson is on the difference between desert and dessert. It is very common for English language learners and even native English speakers to get confused how to spell or use these words correctly, since they are homophones and sound almost exactly the same. Let's learn the difference between these two words. Desert, spelled with one S, is pronounced desert. Listen again and repeat after me. Desert. Desert is a noun. A desert is a large area of land, typically in a hot region, where there is almost no water, rain, trees, or plants. Let's look at some examples of desert in a sentence. I visited the Sahara Desert. It is difficult for animals to live in a desert. Now let's look at dessert with one S as a verb. It is pronounced differently than desert as a noun. The verb desert is pronounced desert. To desert is a verb that means to abandon, to leave, or to quit something or someone. Examples: the lion deserted her cubs. They had to desert the village after the devastating earthquake. Now let's look at the noun dessert with two S's. The noun dessert is pronounced the same as the verb dessert. Dessert with two S's is a noun and means something sweet that is served as the final course of a meal, such as cake, pie, fruit, ice cream, pudding, etc. Let's look at some examples. What shall we have for dessert? My favorite dessert is apple pie. She ate cake for dessert after dinner. Now let's review the pronunciation of these words once again. Desert, the noun, is pronounced desert. Example: the desert is a very dry place. Dessert, the verb, is pronounced dessert. Example: parents must never desert their children. Dessert, the noun, is also pronounced dessert. Example: I always choose cheesecake as my dessert. Now let's look at some mixed examples using both desert and dessert. We ate cupcakes for dessert on our picnic in the desert. He deserted me because he says I eat too much dessert. Should we have some dessert at that bakery? It's the only place to eat in this deserted town. Now let's practice together. Are these sentences correct or incorrect? 1. I don't want fruit for dessert. 2. What animals live in the desert? 3. The cat deserted her kittens in the forest. 4. Chocolate pudding is the best dessert ever. Take a moment to write down or think about your answers for these sentences. Now let's check your answers. Numbers 2 and 4 are correct. Numbers 1 and 3 are incorrect. In sentence 1, we need to write the word dessert with two S's because we are talking about a sweet dessert that someone has after dinner. In sentence 3, we need to write the word deserted with one S because we want to use the verb desert, which means to abandon. How did you do? Let me know in the comment section how many you got correct out of 4. Now it's your turn to practice. Write sentences using desert and dessert in the comment section of this video. What's your favorite dessert? Have you ever been to the desert? Make sure to like this video and subscribe to Sparkle English for more videos on how to improve your level of English. Thanks for watching.